Hi, today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of these keycaps that I found for $5 on Five and Below store. They're pretty nice. And here is the box that they came in. And there were other styles as well, but I really wanted these ones. These are for mechanical keyboards. They are for the Sherry style switches, and you can see in here. And what you also need to know is that they have different heights as well, depending on where they go on the keyboard. They have this diagram here that you can use to know where they go exactly. It is also on this picture in here. I mean, if you're not able to see the little one. But I mean, I think that, I mean, it's you can definitely see it. I don't think that you're gonna have any problems. So let me just, I want to switch a few. One in particular, I like this one in here that I think is drinking coffee. But I mean, it can be drinking tea as well, but it's pretty cute. That's the one I wanted. So I'm gonna start changing that one first. Let me just change it in here. All right. Let me just, oops, I got the switch. Let me put it back. All right, and now I'm gonna put the keycap. All right, it looks pretty cute. I'm gonna change a few ones more so that you can see them. So let me just change this one in here. Oh. All right. Let me just put this back in here. Okay, all right, and here, I mean, in the diagram it says that you should put this one here. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. All right, and then I'm gonna change this other one so that you can take a look at how they look. So let me do this one too. All right. Okay. Okay, all right. And here we go. Let me put this back. By the way, these are lavender switches from Akko. They're pretty good for typing. They're tactile switches, so they're really good. All right, so here is how it looks. You can see a few of them, so they go pretty well. Let me see over here. The sound is pretty nice, so I think it's pretty cool. I think it's workable if you're gonna combine it with other keycaps. And I mean, especially this is the one that I wanted, so I think it's pretty cute, right, to use it as a partial keycaps. All right, so if you like this video and you would like to see videos like these, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.